How to motivate your child to do better in school. Few things play a significant role in making of a good human. Though education is the parents' and teachers' primary objective, many essential social skills like interacting with people around us are learned from schools. Do you know that lack of social skills will have a big impact on the kid's life? Education is time sensitive. How do you motivate your child to do better in school? Is your kid hesitant to explore his or her learning potential? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. If you're wondering how to motivate your child to do better in schools, you can use positive emotions. There can be a lot of reasons why your child is unable to achieve his or her full potential. You may not be knowing them if you cannot have positive conversations with them. If you're bonding with your child, you can help your child perform well by teaching them the art of problem solving. Children are brimming with curiosity and wonder. It is not hard to make them want something. Just take them to a local mall and your kid will set his or her eyes on a particular toy and bug you to buy them. Don't get them anything, not yet. Instead, drag the child to the house and make a deal. If they complete a chapter and do their homework, they can have that toy. This is just one example of motivating a child. You also show them that hard work is the only way to get anything in life. As they get older, their wishes will evolve. But you may apply the same principle until they exit adolescence. Children need routine too. But the thing is, they do not yet know the importance of routine. If they don't, you as a parent should make one for them. Create a schedule for them to follow. When you do so, they would inadvertently and unknowingly develop a routine. As they grow up, no matter what happens, they will try their hardest to not deviate from it. Following structures, plans, and schedules will create a very disciplined kid who outperforms himself or herself every time. If you want to motivate your child, you have to be aware of what is happening in school. If you feel that your child is unable to perform well due to school, talk to the principal of your school and raise this issue. You might come across a solution to your problem. Many parents are under the false idea that their responsibilities are cut short right after they send their kids to schools. But in reality, their responsibilities quadruple. When the child is a toddler, our duties are different. Now he or she is out there in the real world, facing so many problems and responsibilities of their own. You should help your child to tackle the problems that exist in this world. In the end, it will be worth it.